If you have been searching for a powerful note taking app in 2026, chances are you have heard about Obsidian. It's one of the most popular productivity tools for students, creators, developers, writers, and basically anyone who wants to organize information better. But with so many apps like Notion, Evernote, Capacities, and Apple Notes available today, is Obsidian still worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll cover what Obsidian is, its best features, the pros, cons, pricing, and who should actually use it. What is Obsidian? Obsidian is a markdown based note taking and knowledge management app. Unlike many cloud first apps, Obsidian stores your notes locally on your device as simple text files. That means you fully own your notes and you are not logged into a specific platform. The app is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone, and Android. What makes Obsidian different is its focus on linking notes together to create what's called a second brain. And instead of keeping isolated notes, you can connect ideas, topics, projects, and references together using internal links. Key features: Linked notes. This is Obsidian's biggest feature. You can connect notes together, Wikipedia style, using simple brackets. Over time, this creates a network of connected ideas that is easy to navigate. This is especially useful for research, studying, writing, and long term projects. Graph view. Obsidian has a visual graph that shows how all your nodes connect together. For some people, it's mainly visual motivation, but for heavy knowledge workers, it can actually help uncover relationships between ideas. Plugins. Obsidian has one of the best plugin ecosystems in productivity software. There are community plugins for task management, calendars, AI tools, flashcards, Kanban boards, Pomodoro timers, PDF annotations, advanced tables, and much more. You can basically customize Obsidian into almost any workflow you want. Offline first. One of the best things about Obsidian is that it works fully offline. Your notes are stored locally, so you can access them anytime without depending on internet access. That also makes the app very fast compared to many cloud based note apps. Customization. Obsidian is extremely customizable. You can install themes, change layouts, use custom CSS, and completely redesign the interface if you want. This is great for power users, but it can also feel overwhelming for beginners. Pros: You fully own your notes. Because notes are stored as markdown files, you are not trapped inside Obsidian. Even if the app disappeared tomorrow, your files would still work. Extremely powerful. Few note taking apps are as flexible as Obsidian. It can work as a personal wiki, research database, journal, task manager, writing workspace, study system, or all of them together. Huge community. Obsidian has a massive community in 2026. That means tons of tutorials, templates, plugins, and workflows are available online. Fast performance. Since the app is lightweight and local first, performance is usually excellent even with thousands of notes. Cons: Steep learning curve. This is probably the biggest downside. If you just want quick and simple notes, Obsidian may feel too complicated at first. Features like backlinks, plugins, and Markdown can overwhelm new users. Sync costs extra. Obsidian itself is free, but official sync is paid. You can still use third party cloud services like Google Drive or iCloud, but setup may require extra work depending on your devices. Can become over customized. Some users spend more time tweaking plugins and themes than actually taking notes. It's easy to fall into the productivity setup rabbit hole. Pricing. Obsidian is free for personal use. There is also Obsidian Sync for cloud syncing, Obsidian Publish for publishing notes online. For most casual users, the free version is already enough. Who should use Obsidian? Obsidian is excellent for students, researchers, writers, developers, content creators, knowledge workers, people who like organizing information deeply. But if you only need simple notes or team collaboration, apps like Notion or Apple Notes may be easier. Is Obsidian worth it in 2026? Yes, for the right type of users. Obsidian remains one of the best knowledge management apps in 2026 because of its flexibility, offline access, ownership of notes, and massive customization options. However, it's not the easiest app to learn, and some people may prefer simpler tools. If you enjoy building organized systems and connecting ideas together, Obsidian is absolutely worth trying. But if you just want fast, basic note taking with minimal setup, it may feel like overkill. And that's my review of Obsidian in 2026. Have you tried Obsidian yet, or do you prefer another note taking app? Let me know down below in the comments. And if this video helped you, do not forget to support us with like, subscribe for more productivity and software reviews. Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.